This is the story of a sailboat named Sylvia and the ragtag crew that call her home. Join us each week as we explore our planet, both above and below the surface, and find out what it's really like to live a life at sea. This is Expedition Drenched.
First time ever, we're not going to move the boat for 2 weeks.
One of the best parts of traveling the South Pacific by boat is going off the grid and visiting remote and exotic places. But when there is a lot of work to be done, it can be nice to enjoy some of the luxuries that a busy Anchorage like Muscat Cove has to offer. After 2 weeks and all the jobs finished, we were ready to get back to exploring. Morning everyone! Today it's a beautiful day, it's a stunning day after a few days of heavy rain and we've been kind of stuck on the boat. When you wake up and you see the water reflecting the sun, it was so calm this morning. You cannot hear anything, not even the water. I think today is the perfect day to do some underwater filming, and the first thing to do that is to start the morning on the water. So happy with your shower?
Yeah. Best shower I've had on the boat, I'm not even lying.
It's a lovely day and the wind has completely dropped off, so we're going to move to a cool little island that you normally can't really anchor at, and it's right over there.
Yep. Hey, we are just getting geared up, and we wanted to know if you guys are still interested in going scuba diving.
There's a big pot of dolphins off our back. We'll go diving.
What, right now?
Oh my god, dolphins! We haven't seen dolphins in a really long time. I'm so excited.
We're surrounded by dolphins, and yet they don't want to come play.
Oh my god, they're so little and cute!
They tried to hide the dolphin from me because I was just chilling with Chloe, and he said dolphin. I was like, is there a dolphin? I was like, no. He didn't want it to wait for people.
The workday is finally over. We had a little bit of teaser dolphins, and now we're getting ready to go scuba diving with a flotilla of boats that are surrounding us. So we've recruited all the neighbors for a dive. We've got this boat, and this boat.
We're going to Nauticam Pass or something like that, right between the reefs right here. And hopefully like big things are going by. It's also like the cut in the reef to get from the inner reef to the outer reef, like outside the channel, so should be cool.
You called the dive, life-threatening sharks.
Did I? So what sharks were they?
I don't know, maybe, I thought that maybe they were Galapagos. Yeah, sharks.
Yeah, I like that they were circling us.
Yeah,
Sharkling us.
It was cool, and it was like a tiny bit ever so slightly unnerving as well when they just kept coming, and when we were at the surface.
If they had like grown in number, I would have been a bit more alarmed.
The reef dive just turned into quite the advanced drift dive.
How deep did we go, baby?
35 meters.
At least.
Yeah, I hit
47 meters.
Yeah.
It's a movie, 47 meters down, only 37 meters with the idiots from Texas.
Yeah.
First it was like, oh yeah, cool, sharks. Well, actually no, because at first, the first time I saw them, they were like on us, like 15 feet right behind me, coming right at me. Then there was a total of 4 of them just circling our group, but our group was like not as tight as it could have been. So I pulled everybody together because they were getting a little frisky.
It was an action-packed day for the crew of Sylvia. Playful dolphins, frisky sharks. So now the team is ready to have some rest, because tomorrow a new day awaits. Today we're having delicious pancakes for breakfast that Emily cooked. The artist of the pancakes. How are they? Good? Are you enjoying?
With maple syrup, everything is good.
Oh.
I have a fact.
You have a fact?
I have a fun fact. They found pancakes in the bellies of frozen men from 3,500 years ago. Because they were frozen, the pancakes stayed in their bellies. I think it was Iceland. The pancakes are pretty old.
What do you mean?
Yum, yum, yum.
Enjoy the breakfast,
Thank
guys.
We set up that little work camp.
So Will and Aitor had a beautiful idea of creating a little lobby for us.
What are we doing, Aitor?
We're gonna try to put like a roof.
No more burnt faces on the boat.
So we are not stuffed and cooked in the underground oven that are our bedrooms, and it's really cozy and nice, and you can feel the breeze and enjoy the scenery. I couldn't think about a better place to work.
Today is not your favorite day, Chloe.
No, I woke up with a horrible pain and I think my neck is blocked. I don't really know how that happened. Maybe with the volleyball, or maybe because I'm sleeping with another pillow which is thicker, but I never really woke up with this kind of feeling that you feel so powerless and that with every movement you're doing it just hurts, and even breathing or swallowing really, I don't know, it's super uncomfortable, and I don't feel very well, so I'm just going to lay down for a bit and I hope that it's going to be over soon.
I feel professional.
Can you say it louder?
Louder, I feel professional. Yeah. We are gonna take some pictures of the corals because here's a really beautiful reef.
next time in Expedition Drenched, we set sail towards Port de Narao to pick up a precious cargo.
Oh my god, so fun!
But sadly, to say goodbye to my beloved one. Oh, and I almost forgot, we are setting off to our next port of call, Vanuatu.
And the tastiest thing we have in the kitchen is actually molly.
Test. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Test.
Are you guys bringing food on the table?
Still on Breaking Dreams tonight.
Molly, they had no fish again. I think they should go back out until they get one. You're so mean!
We have this is
lure!
yeah, we have desperate fishermen here.
We are not gonna fish anything.
Is it frozen?
Lindo Jalisco, palabras de amor.
She's got her cheetah print panties on and her boots on. Puss in Boots.